Now listen, probability. In probability, easiest method, it's short tricks we can easily calculate the answer. That is, when coins tossed, we'll get head or tail. Is it not? So two coins tossed means the total sample space 4. That you know, right? Similarly, 3 coins means that is a 2 cube, that is 8. Similarly, 4 coins means 2 power 4. You will calculate the total sample space like this, 16. That you should know. Now, favorable outcomes. To find the favorable outcomes, instead of writing it all the elements and then calculating answer, easily you can find it in easy steps that we are going to learn today, right? That we will see. That is using the number 11. Okay, 11. When 2 coins are tossed, it is 11 square. The outcome will be 121. You make it here. 3 coins means this is 11 cube, 1331. 4 coins means the favorable outcome will be 11 power 4, that is 14641. 11 cube, that is 11 power 4 is 14641. That you should learn. If you remember this, then easily you can follow the remaining steps. Only thing is this table box only you should learn. The remaining easily you can calculate. The probability you can easily find it without going for the step-by-step process. Easily you can do it in few steps. Now let me explain this again. When 3 coins are tossed, what is the outcome will be? Favorable outcome will be 1 among this 11 cube, that is 1331. Total sample space will be 8. Now to find this favorable outcome, suppose if you have a probability at least 2 heads. What is the probability? At least 2 heads. So outcomes is 1, 3, 3, 1. For heads, you start writing from here 0, 1, 2, 3. For tails, you start from here 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that you have to proceed it. So for at least 2 heads means about 2 at 2 heads and more than 2 heads. So you will have 2 heads plus probability of 3 heads. So what is the probability of 2 heads here? So here 2 heads comes means the probability is 3. Straight to that you have 3. Similarly 3 heads comes means its probability is 1. So 3 plus 1, the total sample space is 8. That is 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. So probability at least 2 heads will be 1 by 2. Similarly, you can find at most 2 heads. What is the probability for at most 2 heads? At most means at the most 2 heads. That is 2 heads and then lesser than that. Okay, 2 heads, 1 heads and no heads. 2 tails, 1 tails and no tails. So here at most 2 tails you want to find. So what is the probability of? So tail comes means you should start from here 0, 1, 2, 3. So when 2 tails, what is the 2 tails here? 2 tails and below 2 tails you have to do for at most. Okay, so probability of 2 tails is 3, probability of 1 tails is 2, again 3, for probability of 0 tails is 1. So 3 plus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. So at most 2 tails will be 7 by 8. So that is the probability. So this is the easiest method to calculate it. See the next one, 4 coins are tossed. What is the probability? 16. 2 power 4, that is 16. Similarly, the favorable outcome will be 11 power 4. That is 14641. So if you write it in this order, 14641, number of heads will be from 0. Heads you start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tails again start from this side, left side, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is your question? If the question comes like this, probability at least 2 heads. Similarly, at least 2 heads means 2 heads and above. Isn't it? That is 2 heads means 2 heads and above. No, 2 heads means 2 heads and above. So you will have probability of 2 heads, probability of 3 heads and then probability of 4 heads, right? 3 heads and 4 heads. So what is the probability of 2 heads here? 6. What is the probability of 3 heads here? 4. And then what is the probability of 4 heads here? 1. So 6 plus 4 plus 1 by 16, which is 11 by 16. Similarly, if the probability question is find the probability for 3 tails. So you can find it in the tails section. So 3 tails comes means what is its probability? 4. So 4 out of sample space is 16. 4 by 16, which is 1 by 4. The probability is 1 by 4. Now similarly, at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails means the least you have to take. 2 tails, 1 tail and 0 tails. Okay, what is the 2 tails? If 2 tails comes, it is 6. Okay, 1 tail comes, it is 4. And 0 tail comes, it is 1. So 6 plus 4 plus 1 by 16, that is 11 by 16. So the probability of at most 2 tails is 11 by 16.